Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a small but nice fun haul from Tuesday morning featuring Jane Hadfield, her stamps. But I had a couple other items before I show you those, and this was just the Love Lemon. I want to say lemon and lime. Love and Lemon fasteners. It was 30 piece for only $1.19. 212-9812. So you can see these little clasps. And then you got your, I forgot all my name of my jewelry pieces. But these fasteners that you can have in here to make jewelry or to make dangles. Did get one die. This is rather large, like doily-like die. And you can put this on the back of cards, envelopes, or bags to make them decorative. And it's $4.99 by Desire, which is Crafter's Companion. And this goes with the garden party collection. And that's what it's called, 217-6341, and this goes with Create a Card series. So it's actually a really nice size, and I believe it is a 2x8. Let me see, it is 2.8 by 5.8. It's almost a 3x6, so a very large die. Just got some more of the DIY library tags. I love library tags. I'm a bibliophile. I love books. But anyway, and I love the library pockets. Don't ask me why. And so I love the library tags. These can be altered, and that's what I plan on doing with them. 211-2732 for $1.49. 12 packs, so it's 6 envelopes and 6 tags, so that you can decorate and do whatever you like with them. So now for the stamp sets. So all of her stuff is coming in. So this video, I'm sure, is going to be late because my computer crashed, as you probably heard me say in the last couple of videos. So just saying that to let you know, I already know that this video is up late. By the time you get it, all of her stuff will be in the store for a couple of weeks. But anyway, just wanted to show you what I did get, and I did post these on Instagram. DaretoBeCreative 1. So I try to post that way before I get my videos up. So these are all clear acrylic stamps for $2.99. So all the same price. And this one goes with the collection along the way, and it's a 7-piece set. As you can see, the girls and the florals and the dragonfly. There were so many to choose from, so many. And this goes with the patio party, and 213-7458. I'm just going to read the last 2 digits because that's the only thing that changes, the last 2 digits. All of them start out with 21374, and then the last 2 digits would be different. So this is 58. So this is Shine, Family, Things, Party This Way, Enjoy the Little Things, Hello, and Home. And then this one is 71, and this is warm and cozy, as you can see right here. Welcome, thankful, hi, you're home, and congrats. So that's another paper pad. This is another one, Simple Life, and the last 2 digits here, 68. Home, smile, grow where you're planted. Happiness is homemade. So I just love the little sentiments, and I love the little writing inside of the object as well. And this is Simple Life again, and this is 67. It's a beautiful morning. Love grows here. Hello, family, and it's a star under there. And love. This is my Bright Life, and this one is 62. Every day is a fresh start. Hello, congrats. Again, I'm not sure if there's anything under here. Yep, it is. There's 9 of them, but I'm not sure what that is. And this says Tea Time. It's a really cute, nice, that farm feel. Heart of the Home. This one is 65. The number is 65. Gather together, grow together. Choose joy. You are my home. We are family. And there's another one under here as well. My Bright Life. And this one is 61. So I thought this was just different iconic, images, like a peacock and the Volkswagen Beetle, tea kettle, and the bicycle, just some of the things that you don't really find too much on stamps. So that's why I kind of got that one. This is Patio Party, and I had that paper collection as well too. You've got your beetle, and you got flowers inside of it, and vase, and a butterfly. Just some nice little big images to stamp. This is your warm and cozy. I still keep thinking about the paper pad. It's really pretty. I may end up getting it. I'm trying not to, but I may get it. 213-7469. So the last digit here is 69. Another Simple Life, and the digits here is 66. And another bicycle. You got your arrows. You got a heart wreath. You like that? I love that little bird feeder. And then this is warm and cozy, and this is number 70. I love this, the way the bird and the, that's the bird, I'm sorry, I pointed the wrong thing. The bird, the fox, and the porcupine all had that origami feel. The way they drew it, that's just the way I see it in that. Your acorn and your flowers. So I just thought they were nice fall images and nice big images as well. And again, that's number 70. And another along the way with the hello and thank you and the bumblebee. And I thought they were really cute too. So those were all the ones I got. I think I pulled them all out. I don't think I'm missing any. But I think there were probably, I think I got everything. I think I got one of each that I saw. But there's probably more coming out by the time this video comes up. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And again, if you want some of her items, check her out. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.